Guelph is a city like no other, with beautiful architecture, fun hockey mascots, and home to one of Ontario's top employers, DENSO Manufacturing Canada. With over 800 team members, safety and quality are at the core of their business and shown through their everyday work and spirit. Let's take a deeper look inside.
So this location broke ground in 1997 and started making HVACs in 1998. And since then, we've grown from 300 or 400 people up to 600 and now 800 people. Right now, we're preparing to launch additional businesses in the future and grow even more.
We offer and encourage the opportunity to improve yourself and improve the environment around you.
DENSO allows you to challenge yourself and look at new opportunities.
All of my favorite memories probably center around collaboration.
A quality circle is quite simply a group of associates that gets together to identify a problem, and then they try to work together to solve that problem, and in doing so, they can improve performance in the organization.
It is actually a very impressive way of any associate to have an idea of wanting to implement change, drive change.
You're not only building a car part, but it has the impact daily on the lives of people driving that vehicle down the street.
Here at DENSO, we believe in giving back.
So one activity is build a bike. The team gets together and builds a bike together, and they give those bikes to families that are in need and can use those bikes.
It's really DENSO's commitment to safety, quality, and delivery that truly drives us.
I find DENSO is like a positive place to work in.
I love the people here. I love what the company stands for. I feel like I can influence change, and I love the fact that together we can improve the lives of a lot of different people, both inside the building and outside the building.